Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Shani K.S. and I am working at Unicom ERP. So today we are here for the free training program on Odoo 17, which is conducted by Unicom ERP division of Easy to Learn company and Odoo partner. This training program is specifically designed for gaining the skills and knowledge needed to streamline your business operations, increase efficiency, and potential in Odoo ERP. So, I welcome you all to this training session. Before getting into the training, let me first introduce you all to a dedicated portal established to keep you updated with all necessary notification on this train. You would have already received a mail containing the credential used for logging to this portal. The mail is sent to you on 1st May 2024, that is yesterday. Please find the user ID and password from this mail. So I will give you a brief introduction on this portal now. So this will be the login page of the portal. You can enter your 6-digit user ID that is sent to you through the mail here. And your password will also be a 6-digit number, which will you find from the mail. You can enter the username and password and then click on the login to log into this portal. So this will be the home page of the portal. Here you can see the schedule of each day's training for this month. Is already listed here. You can access the video tutorials also from here. You can see the date of the training, the topic of the training, and you can see a video link against the training. Okay. So today's training is item creation, and if you click on this YouTube icon, you will be redirected to the video tutorial that is available for this topic. Okay. And the next column is for marking your attendance. Okay. And there is a column for mark also. So for marking attendance for each training session, you will have a start attendance button here. Okay. So you can click on that, clicking on which your attendance will be start recorded. Okay. Then after the ending of the session, you can click on this end button to click to end the attendance marking. Okay. And please note that your duration for the training will be monitored by us. So don't forget to click on the start button and end button at proper time. Otherwise, your attendance will not be marked. Okay. So now I request you all to log into this portal using your credentials provided through mail and click on the start button. Okay. So I request you all to do that. And also, if you log into this portal on the training date, the link for that day's training will be available here. Just click on the start session. If you click on this YouTube icon, you will be redirected to the YouTube page for the training session. Okay. So you can access this training session from this portal also. Another important thing I want to show in this portal is a Q&A session arranged for you. This is the Q&A session. You can go to the Q&A section. Here you can see the topics listed. That is the topic of each day's training will be listed here. You can enter your questions. If you have any doubts regarding the topics discussed, you can raise your doubts through this Q&A session of our portal. Okay. So select the topic and enter your question here. You can insert it. Now the question is inserted and we will answer all your queries and the answers will be listed here. So you can log into this portal at any time and you can look for your you can enter your queries and look for the answers given by us from here. So this is it about the portal. Okay. So I hope all of you have got an idea about this portal. For this entire training, our communication will be mainly through this portal. Okay. So before starting the training, let me give you all a quick introduction about this training program. So Odoo 17 is the latest version of the popular open source ERP software, and it comes with a host of new features and improvements. This training program initiated by Unicom ERP will be provided in the community edition of Odoo 17, and it will be a greatest opportunity for you all to stay updated with the newest features and improvements in the latest version of Odoo. So these will be the major contents and the major areas that will be covered under the training. The first topic that will be covered today will be item creation. The next topic will be customer supply creation, purchase, sales, inventory and warehouse management, chart of account and analytic account, journals and journal voucher entry, cash or bank, collection, payment and settlement, and the last one will be financial reporting. The first topic that we'll be dealing today will be item creation. Odoo 17 provides an effective platform to configure new products into the system and to efficiently track and monitor all actions to improve the inventory management. The next topic will be customer supplier creation. You can record all your customer and supplier details and manage them easily using Odoo 17. Next topic will be purchase. Odoo purchase module helps keep track of purchase agreements, quotations, and purchase orders. Next topic is sales and point of sale. Odoo sales application allows to manage complete sales process from the creation of quotation to sales order and deliver, invoice the item sold. With Odoo point of sale, we can run the shops and restaurants very easily. Okay. Next is the inventory and warehouse management. Odoo Inventory is both an inventory application and a warehouse management system. It allows users to create storage location, schedule stock counts, and track orders. Next is regarding the accounting module, that is chart of account and analytic account. The chart of account is the list of all accounts used to record financial transactions in the general ledger of an organization. The analytic account feature in Odoo accounting module allows you to keep an eye on specific costs and revenue. Next is the journals and journal voucher entry. Odoo 17 provides the flexibility to customize journals and items to meet unique accounting needs of every business. Next topic will be related to the cash or bank. You can manage as many cash or bank accounts as needed on your database and keep all data up to date and ready for reconciliation with journal entries. Next is regarding collection, payment, and settlement. By using Odoo's comprehensive features for invoicing, payment processing, and financial management, businesses can effectively manage their collection, payment, and settlement process. The last topic covered will be finance reporting. In Odoo 17, finance reporting capabilities are strong, allowing businesses to generate various financial reports to gain insights into their financial performance. So all these topics will be covered under our 1-month training program, okay? So next, I would like you to describe about some of the user advantages of this program, that is, the advantages that you would get by attending this program. So definitely, first one will be it will give an essential training for utilizing the Odoo ERP business solution. That is, this will be a comprehensive training to ensure the proficient use of the Odoo ERP business solution. Next is the individual user access granted for training. As I said earlier, of all of you would have already received your credentials for the Odoo website and portal through mail. Both the credentials for the portal and Odoo website for the training purpose will be the same. So you can use this credential to access our Odoo Community Edition website specifically designed for this training purpose. So the user ID that you should get will be a 6-digit number, and there will be a password also, which will be also a 6-digit number. So you can use these credentials. But I remind you all that these credentials will be valid for a period of 1 month, and afterwards it will get terminated. So if you want continued access to the Odoo 17 website, again, you can pay rupees $10 per month, and on the payment of rupees $10 per month, you will get continued access to the Odoo 17 training website. So you can access this website using this credential again if you make payment of this $10 per month. Okay. Next is a video-based course materials available for you. So you will have access to a detailed video content of trainings provided to you. Those will be available in the portal. Then I would like to discuss about the certification criteria of this program. So to obtain a training certificate, participants must achieve an attendance rate of at least 80% and successfully complete 80% of assigned tasks. That is, as I said earlier, you will have an option in the portal to mark your attendance at the time of the training. Okay, so only those who have marked the attendance and got 80% of it will get the certificate of training. Also, you will have assigned tasks at the end of each day's training. This will be available to you through the video materials provided. That is, at the end of each video materials, you will have assignments related to that session. So these should be done by you in the Odoo website given to you. You can log into the website using your credentials and complete the assignments given, okay? And only those who complete 80% of the assigned task will be getting the certificate of this program. And the last thing is the opportunity to become sales agent for Unicom ERP. That is, upon completing the training program, participants have the opportunity to join as sales agents for Unicom ERP. So this opportunity will be available to you on a commission basis. That is, you will get commission for each sales proportion that you fetch for us. Okay. So these were the major advantages that you are getting from attending our training program. So I hope you would have uh, got an overall idea about this training program by now. Now we can go back to the training. So this will be the login page of the Odoo website that is provided to you for the training purpose. You can enter the 6-digit user ID in the email field and the password here and log into the portal. Okay, so in this training, we'll be looking at the item creation in Odoo 70. So before getting into item creation, there are a few other things to look into. Let's first move to the inventory module. So the first one will be a product category, configuration of product categories. Organizing your inventory through product category is crucial for efficient management. This classification could be based on product type, function, or any other relevant criteria. So you can go to the product categories from configuration, product categories. So here you can see already created product categories. Okay, you can create product categories under multiple levels here. Okay, so here we can have a parent category as food. Here, this is the parent category, and you can create multiple levels under this same category. Okay, I will show the creation of one parent category now. You can create it by clicking on this new button. So I am creating a parent category as groceries. And for parent categories created, this parent category field will be left empty. So I'm leaving it empty and saving it. Now we can create a subcategory under this parent category. I'm clicking on this new button again. You can enter the subcategory as fruits. Select the parent category, grocery, here, and save it. Now, if you go back to the product categories window, you can see that the groceries is created as the parent category and a subcategory fruits is created under the parent category groceries. So like this, you can create multiple levels of categories for easy classification under this product category page. So if you go back to the product category creation page, you can see an account properties tab. Okay. This account properties tab, you can configure the income account and expense account. So the income account is the revenue or income generated from the sale of the product. And the expense account is related to the cost or expense associated with the product. Okay. Next, there is a logistics tab under which you can select the force removal strategy. Okay, this is the removable strategy that is available at various source location. So these are the removal strategies available: first in, first out, last in, first out, closest location, and least packages. You can select the force removal strategy from here. And under the inventory valuation tab, there is costing method to be selected. The costing method available here are standard price, first in, first out, and average cost. From these, you can select the costing method that would be applicable to this particular product category. Okay. After all this, you can save the product category, and this is all about the creation of product categories. Next, we'll be looking at the configuration of unit of measure. You can access the unit of measure categories from configuration, unit of measure categories. So by using this, you can create separate unit of measure categories for both purchase and sales. Okay. And here you can see already created unit of measures. So under unit, you can see unit of measures, unit, box of 10, dozens, etc. So if you want to create a new unit of measure, you can click on this new button and create a separate unit of measure category. Okay, you can also see a blue color unit of measures against each. These are the reference unit of measure for this category, this particular category. So for unit, the reference unit of measure is units. If you click on that, you can see the unit of measure category unit and the runs unit of measure as units. So under this, you can see the dozens, which is bigger than the reference unit of measure. It means that the ratio is given as 12. It means that the dozens is 12 times bigger than that of this particular reference unit of measure. So here box of 10 you can see this is its ratio is 10. It means that the box of 10 is 10 times bigger than that of this particular reference unit of measure for this category. So if you want to create a new unit of measure under this particular category, you can just click on this add a line. Now I am creating a unit of measure as box of 5 and select it as the type as bigger than the reference unit of measure. Put the ratio as 5 and I'm just saving it. Now this particular unit of measure, that is box of 5, is created under this unit of measure category. So this is all about the creation of unit of measure under the unit of measure categories. Now let's move on to the creation of products. So every business is related to at least one product. Every bit of information about a product is stored in the system for a better product management. Odoo inventory module offers wide range of options like product creation, transfer, adjustment, and management. Products can be created directly from the product menu under the inventory. So under products menu, you can have access to the products. Okay. You can create a new product by clicking on this new button. Here you can give the product name. Okay. So I have entered the product name. So this will be the name that is displayed on all other screens that refer to the specific product. Okay. So under product name, you have the can be sold, can be purchased, and can be expensed option. These can be selected according to the nature of the product. Then the first tab under the product configuration window is the product type. So here there are 4 product types available under Odoo. The first one is consumable. This is the product type, a product for which the user doesn't want to manage the inventory, but that can be received from the supplier or delivered to the customer. Next is the service type. Service is also considered a product, but user can't keep the stock of a service, okay? And under storable product is the product which is managed with inventory. Next is combo type. This is the combination of multiple products sold as a bundle. So you can select the product type that is suitable for this particular type, particular product that you are going to create. Next is the invoicing policy. So you can select to invoice the product based on the ordered quantity or delivered quantity. Okay. Next is the unit of measure. You can select the unit of measure from here, from the list of units. And also you can select the purchase unit of measure. That is, you can select unit of measure for separately for both purchase and sales. Next, you can enter the sales price of the product. Next is the customer taxes field. Here in Odoo, taxes are configured at the product level. So give tax rate of the product that needed to be included here. Okay, you can enter the tax rate to be included in the invoice from here. Next is the cost field. You can enter the cost of the product. Then in product category, you can select the product category that is already configured. In internal reference field, you can give the item code. There may be item code for the product you are creating. You can give that item code here. If there is barcode for the product, you can enter it here. And if the product is containing any particular tags, you can enter those tags here. You can also upload suitable images for the product from here. You can select the image, okay, and upload it here. So this is all about the general information tab. And next tab is for sales. Okay, here you can select the optional products to be added for this particular product. That is, this optional products can be added to the invoice while invoicing this product. Then under point of sale, you have the available in POS option. That is, if you enable this one, this particular product will be available in the point of sale for sale. Next is the purchase tab. So under purchase tab, you can select vendor. Okay, from the list of vendors, you can select the vendor and enter the price that is provided, quoted by this vendor. You can enter it here. Okay. Then there is inventory tab, under which you can see the operations, where you can configure the operations for this product, and the logistics tab, where you can enter the logistics related details of the product. Then the last tab will be the accounting tab, under which you have the receivables option. Under receivables option, you have income account to be selected, and under payables, you have expense account to be selected, along with asset type and price difference account. Okay, so if these fields are left empty, the details that is given in the product category level will be selected, okay, automatically selected. So you can choose to leave this field, leave these fields also. Okay. So these were the major details that is related to the product. So configuring all of these details makes it easy for the Odoo system to efficiently work on the product movements and management. It is not mandatory that you should fill out all of these details first time you set up a product, but gradually all of these options will become necessary for the product management, and you can configure them accordingly. So after creating the product, you can click on this save button. So the product is created. You can go back to the products page and you can find the product that you created now. So this is all about the item creation. That is today's topic. Now I will just show the assignments to be done for today's topic. Okay. So the first exercise given to you is regarding the product categories to be created. These are the main category and these are the parent category. So first two categories are parent categories to be created. You can please remind to enter the user ID of yours before parent category name. Okay. All category names, you can enter your user ID as a prefix of it. The next exercise is regarding the creation of unit of measures. So there are one unit of measure category to be created and 3 unit of measures to be created under that particular category. Next exercise is regarding the creation of products. You can create the product name by entering your user short name plus 01, 02, 03 as such for the product names. And for item codes, you can enter your user ID plus 01, 02, 03, etc. as your item code. Okay. So for item name, the prefix should be your user short name. And for item code, your prefix should be user ID given to you. That's 6-digit user ID given to you. You can also upload suitable images of the product. So if you have any doubts regarding this session or these exercises to be done, you can raise your doubts through that portal, okay? So that's it for today's training. As I said earlier, you can raise your doubts on this session or these assignments to be done through that portal. Also, this training will be available to you for your reference in the YouTube channel. Also, you can refer to that training video, this training video at any time. And I remind you all to end your attendance at the end of this training. Okay. So thank you. That's it.